money, more dollars.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop.
And they're still going. Never been recalled. Yeah, I was running a Salt 4 at half arm on them. So funny to see that box of those soaps like get passed around so much and still be working good fine. I love it.
They run great. They love that Ruckus 4500 and they love that 43.5-hour skid bank.
Dude, I love my Ruckus amps.
I see it.
I got 4 in that truck and I got 4 in another combo.
How you doing, man?
We got a different animal this time.
Really? Okay.
My name's Aaron Mills. I am running 2 U12 customs, wired down to half ohm. It is tuned at 32.75. I'm running a 43.5-hour Coventry audio skid bank with a CES 320 alternator.
Okay.
I can charge anywhere from 15.6. I have a double diode switch, so when my voltage drops, I can jack it up to 16.2.
Okay. I saw the port was on the side of the
Side
port. Okay.
Yeah, you got a demo at Sundown. That's a different animal now.
Really? Okay.
That's when I had the side 3500, and they wasn't happy with it.
Okay. So what is your seats out for the system or?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm about to do I'm swapping the 5 next year. 4 MT on 4 4500 Ruthless Audio, half ohm a piece.
So you're going from a trunk to an actual flat wall?
Flat wall.
Oh wow. Okay, so you're already
Driver
planning on
side
it.
port.
Okay. Wow, nice.
SDK enclosures.
Yes, sir.
Jack Zimmerman. He's the one that's going to be doing all my builds.
Very nice. Do you know cubic space tuning, SPL, anything on
4.
this? 4 cubes. Okay. And any kind of Burke SPL on it?
I'm number 3 in the nation for base wars on Trunk Cyclone.
Okay.
That was on a stock alt. I was doing 147.76.
Oh wow. Okay. That's pretty good for the
I
trunk.
can burp it from 150.02.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, man.
Give it a clip. I'm not trying to hold you up. I know you.
No, you're good. Yeah, dude. Wow. Yeah, you're probably. I mean, like at least
that was with stock alt, which was a 150 amp alternator from Hyundai with a deep cycle in the back. That was at Sundown. That was what I had when I did the 147.76.
Yeah, it's at least a 50. Yeah.
I know. I did it on certain songs, and I did a 150.02. That was before the high output went in.
Yes, sir.
And before the skid bank went in.
Okay.
I have a 160 mil fiber flex, 2 layers in the roof.
Okay.
I have a single layer on the floor. I put 4 layers of 80 mil down there in the trunk.
Anything up here?
I have 2 layers of 160
layers.
fiber flex.
Got it. Okay. Yeah, that helps a lot. It's a lot of work to put that in.
We've been working our tail off.
Oh yeah.
Team Blurred Vision. We didn't give it a name. The Gremlin.
Gremlin. Yep, I saw that earlier. All right. Awesome. Yeah, man. I'd love to hear it.
I'm gonna give you a decent song and I'm gonna play some 24 hertz.
Okay.
More money, more dollars. Them bad bitches on the same shit we on. Paper. I know you're tryna fuck something likes on my IG, but I ain't tryna love nothing. I just wanna slide, hit the club with some ass touching, take it to the house, throw some racks, and we back fucking. Money in the bank. Say the record straight. Dead ass in the cash like. To the house, throw some racks, and we back fucking. Give it to me right now.
That was from 33, 35, and 37 hertz.
All right, wow. And it plays in the mid-20s.
I can play down to 22.
Okay, man, awesome.
24, that's when it likes it the most.
Yes, sir. Okay.
I'm trying to remember what 24 hertz song it was, but I'm just gonna give you 26 hertz.
Okay. Sounds good.
Exactly where it's at.
All right, nice. Man, for 212s, that's pretty good.
Yeah, I
dude.
told you it was a different animal
Yeah.
from sundown.
Yes, sir. All right.
We're going to just loading up. There we go. This is 26 hertz Oxycontin.
Okay.
Consistent tone if you want
That
to
was
hear what
good.
it sounds like.
Having this shit.
It's making them smell a little bit.
Wow, I appreciate it. Your series is always stinky.
Appreciate the demo, man.
Thank you, bro.
Nice to meet you.